welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have some footage of our time at Disney California Adventures, and Downtown Disney of some of the treats that we had while we were there during the Halloween time. Some of the treats were really good and some of the treats were definitely past or overpriced, but we still enjoyed it nonetheless. I hope you enjoy. Now let's hear all about it. To record. The first Halloween treat that we got, I'll insert a picture, is the cream puff dulce de leche pumpkin cream puff, and it was cute, like a little Mickey. You'll see the pictures. It has like a nice little sugar coating on the outside, and it's plugged. That's what my husband called it, but so that the stuff doesn't come out. How was it? You took a bite already.
Really well made.
Okay.
Not for me.
Oh.
But like,
why?
Pumpkin and caramel.
Too much?
It's really good.
Too much pumpkin?
It's not for me.
Or too much caramel?
I think it's more caramel than pumpkin.
Oh, is that what the filling is?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
It's like a pumpkin mousse.
Can we cut it in the middle just so I can see what's inside?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, show us what we want to see. Oh, that is not what I expected. We also got the iced Mexican chocolate with whipped cream. Usually I ask things without whipped cream, but I felt like for the effect, I needed it the way they described it. And just so you know, the cream puff was $8.29 and the Mexican chocolate was $6.99. And we have the magic key, so that's why you're seeing the discount. But let's see how this is. The paper straw is not hitting. It tastes just like chocolate abuelita. If you know what chocolate abuelita is, it tastes like that but cold. Exactly like it. Like, you can make this at home probably. It's not bad. I hate the paper straw. It's making it so hard to get anything out of it. But it tastes how you think it's gonna taste. So if you order it, it's because you know what Mexican hot chocolate tastes like, and that's exactly what you're getting, but iced. Okay, we have item number 3. This comes from Edelweiss. I couldn't find the advertisement for it, but it is pretty much a hot link, right? No, what is it?
Brat.
A brat with garlic cheese bread. Update, Brenda needed to sit down for it because it needs concentration. He really, really likes it. I mean, that bite did look pretty good. What was the price? Like $9, $10, $12?
12.
I think for 12 it's not bad. It's protein and you get the garlic bread too. Not bad. So far I think this is his number 1 today. I asked him if he would get it again and he said yes. Alright, Brendan is getting the Supernova pretzel, which is jalapeno cheese filled pretzel with spicy crumble and lime. And it is close to like the Pizza Planet and Space Mountain. Here is the Supernova pretzel. It looks like a pretzel with hot Cheeto dust on it.
And lime.
Oh. Garlic cream cheese bread, sweet bread with cream cheese garlic spread topped with hot honey, and a red beef tamal. But I wanted the green one, so we will ask. So this one has the ghost pepper turkey leg for $15. I think it's this one, maybe this one. And it is coming in before Avengers Campus. No, after Avengers Campus and towards like the bakery tour. We've been looking for it. We found it. The mimosa's pretty much everywhere. We did take the red tamal and the turkey leg back to our hotel room because it was very hot during midday. And maybe this was our mistake. Both of the foods did not hit. My tamal had really weird meat. It was not vibing with me. I did not finish it or really eat much of it. And I actually felt like I could buy this like in Costco and then heat it up at my house. But somehow the Trader Joe ones are better. And the turkey leg, my husband said it's just like a turkey leg, just with a little bit of rub on it. So he would skip it, but he usually skips turkey legs. So take that as you will. Alright, Chipotle chicken drumsticks served with slaw. And it's here in the chicken hut. I don't know what it's called. This is a garlic cheesy bread over at Disney California Adventures. You will see it in a bunch of carts. Yeah, you'll see it everywhere. Even during Oogie Boogie Bash, it was everywhere. We heard it's really good, so we'll see. It looks just like the Edelweiss hot dog that Brendan showed us earlier, but without the bratwurst, so we'll see. And we're also trying the poultry place Chipotle chicken. Took a video of it, so hopefully I remember. Oh, not what I expected. Should have grabbed more napkins. We shall see.
I haven't tasted the honey hot yet.
Oh, I forgot it was supposed to be honey hot. Alright, we are at Cozy Cove number, I don't know, 2? We'll go with 2. We're at Cozy Cove number 2. But for Halloween, they have the Mater's Halloween, which is Uber soft serve with black sprinkles and with a cup. Or just the regular with a twist.
I'm gonna be it.
I did a mobile order and got this one, but he's gonna try it, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, there it is. It's very popular. Everybody was ordering it, huh? There's a couple Uber flavored stuff actually on a lot of menus. How is it? Good?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, not bad. I would get tired of that real quick though. Okay, we are at the Grand California Great Hall Cart. Frozen apple cookies, spooky pretzel sticks, Halloween crispy rice treat. Well, you see the menu. So what is Brendan after? Oh, he's after a gingerbread cookie. I like last year's theme. The box of cookies looks good. Should we get the box of cookies? Hope you enjoyed our show of all of the Halloween treats that we had. Maybe next time we'll do like a ranking system or something so it's a little more obvious what our thoughts were. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick, just little spooky walkthrough. We of course ate other things that were not on the Halloween menu that were really good, but I just didn't want to include them in this video since it was only spooky related. And of course we had some candy from Oogie Boogie. So the winners for my husband was actually the Edelweiss hot dog thing, garlic bread. He really liked it. He got it both days that we were here. And my favorite thing was actually a cookie that came from that box of cookies from the Grand California. And if you opened it, it was like a shortbread cookie, and in the middle there was like a strawberry jam, and it was so good. I wish they just sold that cookie alone. I hope you enjoy this type of video, and hopefully they get a little bit better as I start focusing on this type of video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see other videos similar to this. We also did a walkthrough of all of the Halloween merch at the parks. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.